Ganesh.
Hi, I'm Shalini. Hi, I'm Danya.
Hi, I'm Ian. They say, as human beings, we need a purpose in life and an impactful one. Well, come follow us on this journey as we give you insights about ours, which is to protect our nature as we are the guardians of green. Have you ever wondered where the trash you throw goes?
Or where do you get nutrients from?
Wait! What about biodiversity or protecting the habitats?
Also, renewable energy.
Did you know every day millions of people like us become threats to our nature while we should be protecting it?
Yeah, those are questions we should all be asking ourselves. That's all for today. Thank you, ladies. And
Well, wait, we have so much more to share.
more.
Yes, come on with me. Look at this tree. Isn't it huge?
Yes. Also, do you know trees like this can be found in rainforest?
Rainforests are known to be homes to biodiversity such as animals and plants. Also, do you know there are 62.3% of rainforest in Malaysia? As Green Guardians, it is our job to protect the rainforest.
But how do kids like us save big rainforest?
Easy as step 1. Start purchasing, eating homegrown or farm-grown fruits and vegetables.
Secondly, restore ecosystems that are damaged by planting on lands. Plants are the main source of oxygen for us and animals.
Also, less paper helps reduce deforestation and reduce significant loss of plants and trees.
Speaking of plants and trees, take a look at a project we did in conjunction with Conserving Nature.
Now, let us unveil and how to save and preserve renewable energy.
Wait, how has it got to do with nature?
Good question. Renewable energy comes from nature, source that can be reused.
In simplest words, the sun, which is solar, the wind, geothermal, hydropower, and biomass. Fun facts: windmills are a common source of renewable energy that we often see. It navigates with the power of wind, which provides electricity without polluting our nature.
Okay, now let's dive in the secret ways to implement renewable energy at home.
As simple as turning off the switches after leaving your room and unplugging devices after being used.
And opening up curtain to let the sunlight in.
Wait, do you hear that? Whoa, what are you doing?
Hey, come and join me! We can't forget a vital natural source. It's water.
The water in our oceans and beaches produce half of oxygen, and beaches like these are habitats for various plants and animals like corals and fishes.
Sadly, scattered trash like this become harmful to the sea creatures and plants.
Well, Guardians, what are you waiting for? Let's use our superpowers use to combat this problem?
By recycling trash, we can create a greener planet and conserve nature.
Also, it is important to keep an eye on what to throw and where. Example, be aware of the designated bins for each garbage, plastic, glass and papers.
It seems like we have come towards the end, but let's go back where we started. Joyce once says, a purpose is to do something you enjoy that can also help others, hence in our case, we're on a mission to use our purpose to protect the nature, whether it's preserving green
Or consuming renewable energy.
Making trash into treasure.
Or understanding that nature is a habitat to all living things and nutrients.
Our purpose is to save our nature as we are the guardians of green.
And so are you.